Hey y'all, I'm back with my first spring outfit of the day, and before I jump in this video, if you are not subscribed, go ahead, smash that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Y'all, what I'm loving about this outfit is the baby doll top, and pause, let me tell y'all, I got in my Kennedy's curl virgin Brazilian bundles and they are straightened and sleek to perfection. If you need virgin hair, go to the description box, the info is below. But what I love about this outfit is the top, the sequins top. It is just so cute, and that gives this shirt so much character. I just love baby doll tops. I love how the cream and the denim from the jeans just come together. The top I got a while back from JCPenney, and the pants are Old Navy girlfriend jeans. I did have to roll them up because, as y'all know, I'm 5'3" and I'm short, and I don't like all my pants to be dragging on the floor. But what I love about this outfit is the color. The baby doll top is so cute. I did have it on with a cardigan. Before the purpose of this video, I took the cardigan off so you all can just see how cute this outfit is. It could be worn in spring or in summer, and baby, as y'all can see, I am feeling myself, and I paired it with a cute pair of little flats. So this outfit is my first outfit of spring. Comment below and let me know if y'all love this video. Smash the like button if you are enjoying my outfit of the day videos, and I do thank y'all for watching. Thank you all for supporting, and I will see you all next time.